national headquarters of the party. We have gathered this afternoon to inaugurate the legal committee of the party, as indicated already by the Director of Legal Services. After our national Congress, the legal department of the party was established, and a director and a deputy director in the person of two lawyers, lawyer Ibrahim Maliba and lawyer Baba Jama, had been appointed as the director and deputy director of legal department or the legal affairs of the party. They have since been all sworn in and have started working already. And so most of the legal issues that confront the party have been handled by some of you through the direction of the legal directorate. Indeed, the recent vetting exercise that took place across the country, members of the legal team were deployed across the country to assist us in doing the vetting. And that is exactly the way we want to go. We have realized from 2012 elections outcome and the Supreme Court decisions that we cannot do away with legal representation and legal advice at every level of the party, right down from the constituency to the regions and to the national level. And so we have asked the legal directorate to work with the regions and get us regional legal directors who will be representing the region in all the 16 regions respectively. Again, the party have also realized that collation of our resource in 8 weeks brings some legal issues. So the decision is that through you, we will be able to contact some other lawyers of like-minded lawyers who are progressive enough to represent the interests of our party and to ensure that by the close of the year, at least, we will be looking up to you to get 275 lawyers for every constituency. Indeed, the indications is that out of the 5 members who represent the party at the coalition office of every constituency, one of that 5 members will be a legal person or a lawyer. And then, of course, we are also looking at the possibility of getting one other member being either an accountant, a mathematician, or a statistician. And then the 3 other members will be members of the Constituency Election Directorate. We are lifting the bar because we believe that we do not want to wait until issues come and then we say we are going to the Supreme Court. We want to resolve matters at the constituency level. So there's a lot of work for the committee and the directorate to do. And we have no doubt at all that you have the capacity and the ability to meet the expectation of the party. So that is, your work is cut out for you, and I believe that we can count on you to do this work for us. All the work that you've been doing, including myself, I've been receiving a lot of support, legal support, from the legal committee pro bono. I don't know how I was going to survive the situation that I have gone through without the support of the legal team, and I want to place it on record that the party is very, very grateful to the work our lawyers are doing, and we believe that the sky is the limit. You will be able to do more to help us as we even prepare towards 2020 election. The signal that we are sending across to everybody is that we are leaving no stone unturned as a party in our bid to capture power 2020. And we are firing on all cylinders, legal, organizational, and everything, women front, youth front, and everywhere. You realize that the flag bearer has not been sleeping. For the past 8 days or so, myself, the General Secretary, and other national officers, together with the flag bearer, toured the remaining 3 newly created regions, that is Savannah, Northeast, and Oti, respectively. The outcomes is an indication that the future is very, very bright for the NDC. We will not rest on our OS, we will not be complacent, we will work very hard until we achieve the ultimate. And the ultimate is winning parliamentary majority and the presidential election come December 2020. On this note, I will crave your indulgence if they have the documents there, so that we will do the swearing in, and then we'll have some comments from we'll do the swearing of oath And then, as we have here, we have Honorable Cletus A. Avoka, Madame Betty Moldidrisu, Honorable Kenjirasa, Larry Ajete, Bid A. Zidin, Valerie Sawyer, Kakra Esamwa, Tony Lita, Samuel Kujo, Marietta B. Apia Opon, Dr. Dominic Ayine, Chris A. Akume, Alhaji Inusa Fuseni, Joyce Bawa Muntari, Dr. Basit B. A. Bamba, David Annan, Elizabeth Ofosua Jare, James Agaga, Nancy Amatefiu, Samuel Aduyabua, Alhaji Hudu Yaya, Abraham Amaleba, George Lowe, Victor Adawudu, David Ametefe, Alex Segbefia, Barbara Sewa Samoa, Godwin Edwiji Tamakro, Baba A. Jama, and Elsie Apaukulu. I think there are two. Nana Atudazi. Nana Atudazi is the senior advisor to the committee. Senior advisor to the committee. And I think there are two other members from the Pro Forum. We haven't had the name. When we get it, we'll add it. The Pro Forum also submitted two lawyers as representative. We'll give the names to you later on, and then at a later time they will be sworn in. So I should say that we have the creme de la creme of the legal brains constituting our legal committee, and it gives us a lot of comfort that we have a strong legal leg to stand on anytime that we have issues to deal with. So on this note, may I respectfully crave your indulgence that we should be on our feet and then swear the oath of office. So I will say I, then you will bring your name, and then the office will be a member of the legal committee of the NDC, or a member of the legal committee. So I, do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will at all times.
That I will at all times.
Well and truly serve.
Well and truly serve.
The National Democratic Congress.
The National Democratic Congress.
In the office of.
In the office of.
And that. I will uphold.
I will uphold.
Preserve.
Preserve.
Protect.
Protect.
And defend the Constitution.
And defend the Constitution.
Of the National Democratic Congress.
Of the National Democratic Congress.
As by law established.
As by law established.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to all of you. Please, you write your name, you sign, and put a date there.
If we can do the oath of secrecy.
All right, so let's do the oath of secrecy, in addition to the oath of office. No, the oath of office is what we give me one.
This is oath of secrecy.
No, that's what we are going to do now. We have done the oath of office already.
But that one today, I'm supposed to sign it.
So we'll get it before they close it. So this is the oath of secrecy. So I,
Cletus Avoka,
holding the office of.
holding the office of legal committee of the NDC.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will not directly or indirectly.
That I will not directly or indirectly.
Communicate or reveal.
Communicate or reveal.
To any person, any matter which shall be brought under my consideration.
To any person, any matter that shall be brought under my consideration.
Or shall come to my knowledge.
Or shall come to my knowledge.
In the discharge of my official duties.
In the discharge of my official duties.
Except as may be required.
Except as may be required.
For the discharge of my official duties.
For the discharge of my official.
Or as may be specially permitted by law.
Or as may be specially permitted by law.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to all of you.